Many people begin yoga by following online videos. However, practicing yoga with incorrect form can lead to injury instead of benefits. Today, we will explore the scientific difference between incorrect and correct techniques.
Mistake number 2 is a rounded back. Dropping your head and rounding your spine places stress on your back. Instead, hinge from your hips. Maintain a long, neutral spine. Mistake number 3 is locking the knees. Hyperextended knees place stress on the joint. Instead, keep your knees soft. This reduces stress and uses your muscles. Mistake 4, neck position. Do not overextend your neck. Keep a neutral cervical spine. Always listen to your body. Do not force it if you feel pain. Take rest if necessary, or seek expert advice. Correct alignment improves efficiency. It may reduce unnecessary strain and supports flexibility over time. Always practice safely. Yoga is not just about asanas. It is about awareness, discipline, and the correct technique. Welcome to Suswastha Yoga Training. Learn the correct alignment for results. This supports your balance and strength. Practice consistently with us.